I'm Andrew, and I like competing in the Urdd because it's fun and it helps me to learn more Welsh. Firstly, we went to a school Bryncoch. First of all, about 17 of us did prelims, and then 3 of us got to the stage. On the stage, whoever got first and second would go through to the next round, and me and somebody from Eisteddfod got through. It was called Rolly Our Trolley. It's about this little boy called Rolly, and he goes with his mum to the supermarket, and he sits in the trolley, and when she puts something into the trolley, he eats it. At the end, he felt sick and was sick everywhere. Well, at Wrexham we had enough of prelims, but there was only 8 or 7 of us, and it was the same as whoever 3 got to the stage, and at the stage it was whoever came first got through to the nationals. I got through to the stage, and the other 2 were really, really good. So once I did mine, I was thinking I wouldn't get through. So that when I was called up to say that I got through, I was really delighted. Yeah, it was very exciting to compete. I'm very glad I did it.
Mewn anferth o siop yr oedd Rolly yn swnio'n am reid yn y troli. A mam wrthi'n siopa, roedd Rolly yn bwyta'n slei bach yn y troli. Fe lwcio 5 cacen a loli a chreision wrth fynd yn y troli. Mae'r bar a sws coch ar ei hôl hi, a chyrraedd o waelod y troli. 3 iogwrt a 2 roedd ei poli.